Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. What an exciting day it is today. Guess what? The brand new Wander Bundle is up in the shop. I'm sure you've all seen Nikki's post in the group already. And so today I got some elements ready from the bundle. I've got the girl from $2 Tuesday. And I just cut out the elements, and then I chose some ones that I wanted to use on the page. Got them ready. We are gessoed. This is going to be really short and sweet today. I used 2 coats of the Art Basics Clear Gesso because I'm going to do a little bit of just with some gelatos. I have this whole little stash of gelatos and picked a couple colors that I thought were going to be pretty close, and just wanted to do a little simple background and stop by, say hi to everybody. And gosh, how's your day? Here it's a busy day out on the farm. We've been doing lots of fencing, and my hands are just blistered and blue, and it's so fun. But hey, it's living on the farm. So today all I'm going to do is grab some gelato, and you want to prep. Otherwise, if you don't prep, this gelato will just stay like this on your page. So you can use a baby wipe. You can use a paintbrush. Today what I'm going to do is just use my squirt bottle and my finger, and then just mush the gelato around. And I'm going to put some blue in here. I don't want to mush too much because then what happens is you won't see the color. You'll rub it right off with your finger. So I want to just do a light little marble technique on here. And I'm going to add some blue in as well, but I want to just dry this up. And how's your day? Gosh, I'm having fun because I want to create so bad. And when I packed my studio, I packed them all in these baskets and little boxes, and I have my shelving units up and all the stuff is in the units, but it's also disorganized. Oh my gosh, I have stamps and plastic bags shoved in with spray, shoved in with other things. It's just crazy what's going on here. So I need like a whole weekend to open up all these bins and baskets and boxes and see where everything was. Last night I was working on the page for $2 Tuesday, the Deserts Bible page kit. And Hubs is sitting in his little space, and I said to him, oh my gosh, I said, you know what? I can't find my spray bottle. And Hubs goes, okay. And I said, no, you don't understand. If you can't find your spray bottle, that's a tragedy in the studio. I said, that's a necessity of life for me. And he's like laughing. He thinks this is really funny as I'm going through all my stuff, whining and complaining how I can't find anything. And, you know, Hubs just thinks I'm silly most days. That one got a little bit too much water. So I just want marbled. I don't want anything spectacular. I'll take some of the blue, pick it up with my finger, and move it into the pink on the sides. You can pretty much do anything. And I like using my finger because to me it almost looks like clouds. I think it's kind of fun. So if you want to take some off, just use your baby wipe. And let's give it a good dry before we put on the elements. So yes, life on the farm is so cool. I posted a picture to Facebook of my 2 neighbors' horses that hang out by the fence. So I spent most of my day trying to get the puppies not to bark at the horses. On the other side of us, we have a horse. Her name is Juanita, and the puppies have gotten used to her. So now with our fencing that's going on today, we're going to have the lower section of land partially fenced off so they can go down one section. Our yard's kind of broken into the big front, then where the house is, and then there's like a lower section. You go down a little hill, and then you go on to another section. So we're doing it slowly but surely. So I did, the verse I picked, I guess we should talk about that, is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Now, when my journaling reads, God has given me so much strength over the past month. With moving and getting packed, there were moments when I didn't have the emotional or physical strength to do one more thing. He reached down and filled me with his strength day after day. And that is so true. He really did. There were days, we packed, we moved so quickly. In 3 weeks, we were, made an offer, we moved. It was crazy fast. And we just, there were some days I was just exhausted by the end of the night. And God just reached down and just strengthened me day after day to get through all the things that I had to get through. So it was an incredible journey, and I really felt his hand in everything that I went through moving. So this is one of my favorite verses, I think, for now, my favorite verse of the day. And I'm looking so forward to working more with this bundle. I'm trying to get this straight. It just doesn't want to go straight. And Nikki and I collaborated on this one. She did all the graphics, and I got to pick the scripture, and then I sent that off to her, and she incorporated that into the bundle. And it's really fun because last week she came out to work here. Oh my gosh, we had such a productive day. And then on the weekend, the boys were getting some fishing stuff together, and her and I sat down and we did some planning. And I forgot my cactus on the other page. I'm going, where's my cactus? I had this idea in my head of what was going to happen here. Let's put the cactus down. And these elements are just so cool. Like, really, Nikki outdid herself with these ones. I just love these elements. I went, oh my gosh, look at those colors and the blacks, and it's just so pretty. So just a really simple page. And sometimes, you don't have a lot of time and you just want to do a quick little simple thing. So I just put the PDF into my editor. I put on my journaling onto the card and got this done. And I go, wow, look at us. I don't know what the time is on my camera, like 8 minutes. And we have a verse done. And then I can take this verse for the rest of the day and meditate on it and reflect on it and look back at this, crazy past few weeks and just see how God touched me during that time. I am so blessed and so grateful. I want y'all to have a super fantastic day, and let's see your pages. I want to see, what are you guys doing with this bundle? I'm really enjoying working right in my Bible. I had planned on doing a little journal or a hymnal, but I just really loved the idea of keep on going in my Bible. So that's my page for today. Thank you all so much for joining me. I will see you over in Praise and Pray, and hope you will all enjoy the bundle as much as I do. I think I'm going to take a break, do another page, and I will post that in the group as well. Talk to you soon, everyone. God bless.